Hey guys! Okay, so I'll just play. So guys, I'll just show you how to make a script that makes you move like an RPG, in Scratch. So first you're just going to do this. Scratch.mit.edu. Yep, like this. And what you're going to do is you're just going to um have this like create thing, right? Well, you're just going to click on this right over here. Now I will just I'm just going to do this. What? I'm just going to okay, but what you're going to do is you're just going to go over to Control Div forever. If then go over to Sensing key right arrow is press, then going direction 90 right over here. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to duplicate and click it right over here. Now as you can see,
Do you know the Muffin Man?
5 and make it 5. So now you're just going to do this, but now you only press this. So you're also going to make it so that when you press this green flag, you're going to make it so that it's going to go to 0, 0. So it's going to go into middle of the screen, as you guessed it, because it's always a 0, 0 when it's the middle. But also, what you're going to do, you're just going to, you're just going to make it left arrow, and then you're just going to make it minus 90, right over here, as you can see. Next, after that, you're going to duplicate again, make it up arrow and down arrow. Just going to, so up arrow gets you 0, and now down arrow gets you 180. So now, as you can see, it's all running. You can do this. You can make it so that it's 10 steps, but I prefer 5 steps because, gets it like this. You can make it in a way that it changes costumes, so that it doesn't like turn around. So you could just make a version like upside down right over here. But you got your stuff. And if you're signed in, which I am going to do by the way, over here. So bye.